So for the first step, you want to go into Backups, uncheck all the gradebooks so you only select that correct template. And if you're 6th grade, that's the one that you want. And then you're going to go to Backup Gradebooks, and it shows that it created that gradebook backup. Now you're going to go to Restore. Select the gradebook to load into. So I'm going to choose your Wicker Homeroom one, and on the next one, you'll choose each of the others. Oh, wait, actually, yeah, it'll only let me do one at a time. Then you go Next. Are you sure you want to restore? Yes. For this one in the template, you're going to choose 6th grade SB template copy. And this shows the backup that I just created at 12:01. Selected that. Next. Yes to the pop-up. Okay, okay on the pop-up. You're going to choose assignment categories, final marks, and gradebook options. So only those three: assignment categories, final marks, gradebook options. Then click Restore. So now I'm going to close this. I'm going to go over to that other gradebook that I've just put it into, ELA. Now when I go to Scores by Class and go into, when I go into Manage and Final Marks, the final marks are now the rubric scores. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.